To put the straps on the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is fairly simple. Just choose the alignment you'd prefer to use, whether you want to use the watch with the buttons on the right hand side or on the left hand side. And then once you've selected that and you've chosen what uh, you would prefer to use, putting the straps is fairly simple. All you're going to do is simply just ensure that this metallic part on the strap itself is aligned with its port right there. And then you're just going to push in like so. You should hear a snapping sound, letting you know that it's been successfully inserted into its port. So you can go ahead and do the same thing on the other end. Just go ahead and push. And once you've done that, you should be able to see that the straps, have been successfully placed on the watch itself. So now you can go ahead and wear your watch comfortably. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.